Welcome to MarineMax Huntington. My name is James Duggan. Today we're going to do a walkthrough video on the all-new 210 SPX outboard. This is a brand new design of the 210 SPX. This is a white hull boat with the Mercury 150 engine. This boat has SeaDek all the way throughout. You'll see on this transom sun pad you can now sit with this nice backrest. Starboard side walkway. Really nice entry into the boat. Got a lot of storage and access to your bilge. Very easy. Insulated well underneath here. Port side. A lot of seating. This cushion is removable. You can sit forward facing or aft facing. Your helm area, you have a Simrad GPS, Fusion audio package, port side storage compartment. That is your bow filler cushion. This boat has a cushion package that will fill this area in. Has a drop cushion here, so now you could sit 3 people across this bow area, and you have a anchor locker forward. That concludes the walkthrough. Give us a call, 631-956-4865. Thank you.